How can I share the forecast with my sales team? So I need to navigate to the forecast report under the sales menu. Then I need to make sure I have the table displayed rather than the graph. That's easiest for the export to know what we're exporting. Optionally, you can remove or add some rows. So here I'm going to export the forecast baseline, forecast override, forecast total. I can, for instance, add total orders here. Then I can also optionally filter for a given location, a given customer, or a given item. And I can also change the time bucket if I want to export in month, for instance, for the next 12 months. Then once I'm ready to export, I just need to click on this export as CSV or Excel file icon. And this is going to export my file. I just need to save it on my hard drive then and share it with my sales team.